So we're going to look at some of these individual sections on the blog overview. So click on the link that on the left hand side that says layout. Here you will see what your blogger site looks like under the hood. Imagine putting up one of those big army tents. The green canvas goes over the top and that's all we see from the outside, but underneath is a set of tent poles connected together to give the tent structure, support and shape. And this is exactly the same as the layout for your blogger site. If we change the layout, then the website on view to the world will also change. It is important to understand that all blogger sites are created with the same components. Each component will be described and explained in detail later on in the course, but here's a quick overview. The favicon. This is the little logo icon that appears in the web browser, and I'm just circling there and there. That's what a favicon is. By default, it is always the orange and white blogger logo, but you can change this later on. Navbar. This is the bar that goes across the top of the screen and includes a number of functions such as sharing and search facility. When you are logged into your Blogger account, you will see on the right hand side shortcut links to create a new post, visit the design element of the blog, or to sign out, but visitors to your site will not see the information. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the view of my blog so you can see what it looks like in reality. So the favicon bit there relates to this particular bit there, which is the orange and white blogger logo. The navbar there relates to this section of the blogger site. Okay, so you've got some sharing facilities and other blogs and search and things like that. The next part is the header. This is the section at the top of your page which includes your blog title, a description and an image if used. So this is my header for this particular site. Gadgets. There is space on your layout to install gadgets. Gadgets are features and tools that can be used to provide a better experience for visitors to your site. Examples of gadgets include an email subscription tool or sharing buttons. And on this page you can see there is an About Me section, and that's what is there, and that's what it looks like. There's also space for a blog archive, but because I haven't actually created any blog posts at the moment, there isn't anything there, but it would go there once I start creating my blog posts. The blog post. This is the main feature of your blogger site, and you can create a huge amount of articles, okay, or blog posts. If you imagine each blog post to be like a sheet of notepaper, then your blogger site has an endless supply of paper, each one able to be organized and categorized on your site however you see fit. Blog posts are not limited to words but can include YouTube videos, pictures, maps and anything else that can be embedded with HTML code. But don't get scared about the phrase HTML code. We're going to talk about that really easily, really simply later on in the course. Okay, and this is the area here which is where the blog posts would go. So that is how the layout affects what it looks like on the actual screen that is on view to the world.